What's up, guys? Today we are getting the truck ceramic coated by my buddy Colby that does mobile detailing. So if you haven't seen our last video, we were out off-roading out at Eagle Lakes and got the truck scratched up a little bit here and there, but we decided that we wanted to protect the paint and have an easier wash on the truck for future trips and future washes. So stay tuned. All right, Colby, what are we doing today?
We're ceramic coating the 2019 Wander Taco. Going to get a 3 to 5 year treatment using CarPro C-Quartz 3.0. So first we're going to be clay barring it, getting it all ready for buffing. We're going to try and buff out any trail scratches, anything that's been there previously. And then we'll be washing the car again, or the truck again. And then we'll be applying the ceramic coating. So it should be a pretty decent day, pretty long day, but it'll look good when it's done.
What are we doing now?
We are doing a 50-50 alcohol water wash to make sure that we're stripping all of the leftover waxes, sealants, polishes, anything that was previously on the paint, so that way the paint is back to factory, nothing on it, so that way the ceramic not only sticks better but lasts longer.
What are we doing now?
Time to start the ceramic coating. So it's a bottle, 50 milliliter bottle, and an applicator with a towel over it. So what you do is you put about 3 to 4 dots on the applicator, and you go in a side crosshatch type motion, panel by panel, foot by foot. So it's a long process, but you want to make sure you get no high spots and no dry spots. So what that means is you want it evenly coated, and so you set a timer, about 1 minute and 10 seconds, and then you let it sit and wipe it off. Repeat around the whole truck.
I'll walk through and show you guys a little before and after of the water beads on the truck. Overall, super excited and stoked with how the ceramic coating came out on the Tacoma. Made it super simple to wash off, rinse off, and dry off. Took me about a minute to run around the truck and dry it off because that water just does not want to stick to the truck at all. So stay tuned for more adventures. If you guys aren't following along on the channel, make sure you are liking and subscribing. Would always love to hear what you guys want to see next. And until next time, we'll be wandering.